Abilasha, you're courageous. Abilasha, you're strong. Abilasha, you're confident. Abilasha, we are ready. Abilasha's second appearance. She has done many programs after this. She's a student in our academy. When she came in, she had never ever gone on the stage. Today she's going to conduct a game for you, and most importantly, this place is very special for her. This was the second time. Second time is first time she did a very small introduction in MGR College. Here she conducted a complete game. Can we give her a big round of applause?
How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Come on, more energy. How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Spring and Ring. What is the name of the game? Spring and Ring. The objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate the ring from the spring. The rules of the games are, you should not bend the spring, you should not break the ring, and you should only remove the ring from the center and not from the ends. After you separate it, it will look like this. So are you ready? Yes. I will be giving you 2 minutes. How many minutes? 2 minutes. Coaches will be giving you the puzzles. Please don't touch the puzzle or else you will get disqualified. How many of you want to get disqualified? Say I. No. Yes. So coaches, please give the puzzles. Everyone have received your puzzle? Yes? Yes. So the team which separates the puzzle first will get 500 points. How many points? 500 points. So your time starts now. So everyone, do you want clue from me? Yes?
Yes.
So how do you ask? Come on with lots of love. Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is, bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. I repeat, bring the ring to the center of the spring and twist. This time I will be giving you 1 minute and 250 points. How many points? 250 points. Are you ready? And your time starts now. J. Chitra ma'am gets 250 points and Jnana Shekaran sir gets 250 points.
The people who did not get the answer, everybody, come on. Coach, please give me the answer.
Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is, the answer is, bring the ring to the center and twist.
That's it. Abilasha, coach, a big round of applause. This is the second time here and she's done about 6 or 7 times more than this. She's done a different program. She's growing more confident. She's becoming more courageous and bold. Can you give her a big round of applause? Thank you so much, Abilasha. Everybody pointed up. Abilasha, you're strong. You're brave. You're amazing.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.